Question number 16. The kinetic energy of a particle is increased by a factor of 4, which means what? P dash square, kinetic energy dash is equal to 4 times kinetic energy. 4 times kinetic energy. By what factor does the speed increase? Now, how is kinetic energy related to speed? Kinetic energy is given by P square divided by 2m, right? So, what I will do is I will substitute here. So, it should be P dash square divided by 2m is equal to 4 times P square divided by 2m. Now, 2m goes away because mass is not changing. So, P dash should be equal to 2 times P, right? Now, P dash is equal to what? M dash V dash, and this should be 2 times M into V. M goes away over here. Not M dash. M dash is nothing but M here, right? So, this and M goes away. So, V dash should be equal to 2 times V. So, velocity becomes twice. What is the velocity becomes twice? By what factor? So, which is twice over here. Answer is E.